Hi, and welcome to Easy Watercolor Portrait Painting, Understanding Skin Tones. Portrait painting is challenging for both beginners and advanced painters. By the end of this class, you'll be able to easily turn any photograph into a realistic portrait. Paint along with me and learn my portrait painting process. By the end of this class, you'll have some amazing portraits to hang on your wall. In this class, we'll mainly focus on how you can recreate and match any skin tone by mixing only 3 to 4 colors. We'll use the gridding technique to create accurate portrait drawings that will form a strong foundation for your painting. In addition to the gridding technique, we'll also go through how to draw a portrait freehand. I'm going to simplify the painting process for you by showing you my 2-step process in painting a watercolor portrait, keeping colors fresh and vibrant. We'll go through how to paint different skin tones using a limited range of colors, how to sketch and paint 8 different portraits based on 8 reference photos. We'll talk about how to quickly draw faces and portraits from a reference photograph freehand, and also how to use the gridding technique effectively. We'll paint various subjects in different poses and lighting conditions, and I'll show you how to layer paints to add color and details. In addition, we'll go through how to use essential watercolor techniques in the context of portraiture, such as wet and wet and wet on dry. I'll show you how to determine a light source and the correct use of values in painting. This is a feature-packed class, and I've included many demonstrations to provide you more opportunities to learn how to paint different subjects. So if you're ready to boost your portraiture skills, join me in this class and let's get painting.